Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some delicious salmon quiche. This is absolutely amazing and I know you guys are going to enjoy this one. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into this video. But before we do, if you guys have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, like and share. So these are the list of the ingredients that we will be using, and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So we're going to put our quiche together. First we're going to whisk our eggs well. Then we're going in with some half and half, some heavy cream, and our cheese. Of course, I'm using white and yellow Vermont cheddar and my absolute favorite, smoked Gouda. Feel free to use any cheese of your choice. Now we'll be adding our vegetables, and this is just my bell peppers, my onions, my scallions, and celery, cilantro. As I mentioned, everything will be in the description box. Now I'm just using a store-bought pastry crust. Feel free to make your own. I was pressed against time, so I just grabbed this one. It is beautifully made. So here I'm just adding my sauteed spinach. Now the salmon, I just slice it and I just add like my smoked sea salt, just a little bit of smoked sea salt on there, and some black pepper. That's it. Then we're going to add our mushrooms, and I saute that as well. Then we're going in with some of that amazing smoked Gouda cheese. And then we're going to pour that mixture right over. And we are going to bake this, guys. And this is what it looks like. Guys, this was absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh. I can't wait for y'all to try this one. Alright. If y'all are quiche lovers or salmon lovers like me, you guys are definitely going to enjoy it. Look at that salmon. It is so pink. It is so juicy. This quiche was is going to be my all-time favorite from now on. Alright, so thank y'all for spending the time with me today, and I see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.